What's up, budget crew? Welcome back. Got a pretty cool video today. We got some floor mats. OMAC is the brand. It's a budget option, compared to the WeatherTech ones. Those are like $250. These are a fraction of the cost, guys. These are like $90, and you get all four. So we're gonna throw these on, and I'll show you guys a comparison. All right, so this is the original mat, the fit mat, nice and flush. Here are the mats side by side. You can see right away they have a similar shape. Looks like the holes do line up. Nice. Alright, check out the OMAC mat. Not bad. Same nice, tight fit. I did realize though the little thing right here doesn't necessarily like snap on. But I mean, the mat's it's like, it hugs the walls and everything nice. So, not bad. Thickness, it's not that thick, but it's not flimsy. I think it's a good thickness. Not sure how thick it is compared to like a WeatherTech one, but for the price, guys, that's the main sell point here. It's like a nice budget option. $90, you get all four. Nice. Alright, got the rear. Alright, here's the OMAC replacement. It does have like a little overlap that goes over the center part here. I think it has to just settle in, it's still, the fit is not flush, but it is pretty dang close. And like I said, it probably just needs to settle in. It is a little chilly right now, but not bad. It still fits pretty good. Let me take this one out and put the other one. Nice. So if you throw that one on first, overlapping, this will just like wedge it in and it's perfect fit. Got nice coverage all around. Not bad, guys. For $90, this is really good. Alright, and last but not least, we got the driver's side. I was already starting to get some flat spots here, so it's about that time. Alright, guys, check it out. Nice, very nice. It has that little wall that goes all around the mats, so all the dirt, with the other mats, they help, but it doesn't help from the dirt getting underneath there. So this is definitely going to help out a lot. Like I said, this was the only other thing I did notice, that it doesn't really clip in all the way, but the mat fits well enough, to where it's not going to come off or anything, so it should be good. And like I said again, for the price, guys, you really can't beat the value here. So I'll leave a link in the description down below. Excuse me, guys, I'm getting a little sick, but not bad. These are really nice, guys. Heck yeah. Alright, guys, heck yeah. Nice little video. Swap out the mats real quick. Thanks for watching. If you guys are interested in getting those mats, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. And go ahead, take advantage of this code here they sent me. 5% off. It's not much, but it's something. Right on. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good Thanksgiving, guys. Peace.